sea after a home so bright, welcoming you to rest and feel the light. The ocean breeze, it whispers soft and kind, carrying your heart away with the wind. A peaceful holiday at Ban Chang shore. Leave the worries behind, let your heart soar. Sit and watch the waves beneath the endless sky, relaxing at flow where your soul can fly. Crystal waters, waves kiss the sand, seagulls sing, filling the sky so grand. The quiet calm, nothing else in sight, only joy embracing your heart so tight. A peaceful holiday at Ban Chang shore. Leave the worries behind, let your heart soar. Sit and watch the waves beneath the endless sky, relaxing at flow where your soul can fly. This is where you rest your body and mind, embracing happiness with every unwind. A peaceful holiday at Ban Chang shore. Leave the worries behind, let your heart soar. Sit and watch the waves beneath the endless sky, relaxing at flow where your soul can fly. Always welcome here, any time of the year. Peaceful days at Ban Chang, waiting for you, dear.
Welcome here, any time of the year. Peaceful days at Ban Chang, waiting for you, dear.
A peaceful holiday at Ban Chang shore. Leave the worries behind, let your heart soar. Sit and watch the waves beneath the endless sky, relaxing at flow